So behind me we have a JL Rubicon. Comes with the factory steel bumper, as you can see, but yeah, it's boring. Let's put an Offroad Animal Predator bar on. Now these JLs are pretty cool right out of the box, even in Australia. Not quite as good as we're getting in America, but come with the muddies, 32-inch muddies, lockers front and back. We're gonna put a Zeon Warn winch on it, and a Predator bar, and some Offroad Animal LED light bars. Make this look a lot better. Got big plans for this one. We'll be doing a TerraFlex lift with their Falcon shocks, and then we're also going to be doing some bigger wheels and tires and some bead locks. And Offroad Animal is going to develop a full roof rack for this one that also works with the soft top. So let's get started. Factory steel bar apparently is winch compatible, but doesn't come with a winch plate. So that sucks, but sticks out, not too bad. You know, looks fine. I don't mind it, but the Offroad Animal one just looks a hell of a lot sexier. So it takes about 20 minutes, but the factory power bar is off. Just weighed it, 33 kilos. And I didn't weigh the bash plate, but I'm guessing around 3, so around 36, which puts it 9 kilos including the bash plate, heavier than the Offroad Animal bar, Predator bar. There you go. You're actually saving weight with the Offroad Animal bar without all the unnecessary steel. And this one's ready to take a winch already. Still have to add a winch plate to that one, so you're saving even more. All right, we've got the Predator bar on. Sorry, it's getting a bit dark. I started late in the day. Next, I'm gonna put the Warn Zeon winch on. That's very okay. I love the Warn Zeon. It's my favorite winch. But what I don't love, Warn supplies the rope off the drum. Now, it's kind of a prick to fit. So, on the winch here, you see there's a little hole. We gotta thread it through here, and we got this fancy little wedge that we gotta hammer in there. Use a bit of wire. I use welding wire, and I pull it through. It's just not fun to do, but it's a great winch. So you only gotta do it once you break it. Let's do it. So you get a bit of wire, pull the cable all the way through, and see that little wedge there? You hit that wedge in. I'm gonna tap that in and pull the cable from the other side, and that will lock the rope in. All right, we've popped the bar on, popped the winch in, wound in the cable. We've got the stealth hoop in this one. I like the stealth hoop. Now, next, we're gonna do the wings. Factory fog lights. No, we are opting for the Offroad Animal cubes. So we're gonna put 2 cubes in each. Looking pretty good. That's it, we're done. Predator bar on a JL Wrangler Rubicon. So we got the Warn Zeon winch, Offroad Animal lights, the bar, and we also put the number plate flip, and we put the skid plate, which protects that super expensive sway bar disconnect motor. Let's get a closer look. Now, the bar comes out quite far forward, so you can fit really large tires. You should be able to fit 37s with a 2-inch lift, 39s with a 2-inch lift. So here's our number plate flip. There you go. High left jack holes, shaped like beer glasses. We got the cube lights in the wings as well. We do have little caps for the sensor holes. If your Wrangler does not have front sensors, then we can send you some caps. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, there's a skid plate, raw aluminium. That's it, baby. Hope you enjoyed it.